My video is about getting rid of the ransomware called Proton. This ransomware, by the way, is from the Xorist ransomware family. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video, I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. And will give you some recommendations on how to protect your data. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your data without any complications, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other documents. Regretfully, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called Proton may be easily injected into the device. Very soon, users realize that something bad has taken place with the files and that they can no longer access their files. This Proton extension is additionally appended to the file names. And whenever users try to open this specific file, they see a message that it's not possible to open these files and that all these files have been damaged and encrypted. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration. However, paying the ransom is not a good idea. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the website combocleaner.com. To download Combo Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser for this purpose, because other browsers and their desktop shortcuts could also be damaged by this ransomware. So, through your Internet Explorer browser, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus through the official website combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. After you download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. Well, let's do it again. You might need to access program files directory to open Combo Cleaner after it has been successfully installed. So Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. So hopefully Combo Cleaner will start soon. You see, because of this ransomware, the system may be functioning in a very slow manner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus for the first time, the program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will immediately begin. But most likely, of course, the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip that important step if Combo Cleaner suggests you to update its antivirus database. Then the scanning itself will take place. The scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And it may depend on other factors too, of course. Combo Cleaner will give you the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan at the end of the scan. I want to emphasize your attention on several features, for instance, anti-ransomware feature, which will always protect your files against ransomware attacks. This feature is the part of the premium license, though. So you need to wait a certain amount of time until the scanning has been successfully finalized by Combo Cleaner. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threads which were revealed on your computer. Of course, some threads can be removed manually. However, we recommend that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner to make sure your computer is always under decent protection.